Welcome to Student Impulse. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Karur. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings. Please do not pay money for any kind. Firstly, there is a job opening at Synergy Lifestyle Private Limited. They are looking for data entry work. Salary offered up to 8,000 a month. Data entry to stitching section. Need commitment to their work. Education qualification bachelor's. You can contact on the given phone number 73583761123. I have also included the official contact address details here. You can check with that. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. I will reply for that. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Ashwini International. They are looking for receptionist, administration assistant. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month. The responsibilities are as below: serves visitors by greeting, welcoming, and directing them appropriately, notifies company owner or staff of visitor arrival, maintains security and telecommunication system, good and polite behavior with visitors and answering them with proper communication. Schedule is day shift. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. I have also provided the official email ID and address details here. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Sri Ashwini International, they are looking for dyeing in charge. Salary offered up to 20,000 a month. Candidates should have a deep knowledge in yarn dyeing process, capable of handling many job work dyeing units, and get the dyeing dyed on time. Schedule is day shift. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. There is also official contact address details available here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Maxima Text Process Mill. They are looking for production supervisor. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. Experience minimum 2 to 3 years in production line is required. Age limit up to 35 years considered. Languages required Tamil, English, and Hindi. Workplace is Karur only. Facility ESI plus Provident Fund, and as per statutory norms, food and accommodation available. You can contact on the given phone number 9080874827. I have included the address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Inimart Disease Solutions. They are looking for digital marketing internship. Stipend offered up to 4,500 per month. You have to apply by November 13th. About the internship or job, selected interns' day-to-day responsibilities include leading our marketing operations and helping grow our brand, influence locality, while also increasing brand loyalty and awareness, planning, implementing, and monitoring our digital marketing campaigns across all digital networks. Who can apply? Only those students who are freshers can apply, who are available full-time in-office internship, who have relevant skills and interests, who can start internship by between October 29th, like from the November 1st to December 3rd in between, who are available for duration of 3 months from thereafter, who have already graduated or currently in the any year of study. Females willing to start or restart their career may also apply. Other requirements: can you have any degree with marketing knowledge? You can contact in the given phone numbers for further details. There is also official email ID address and contact address details available here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Ashwin International for the Amazon Digital Marketing Executive. Salary offered up to 25,000 a month. Description is as below. Digital marketing executives with a background of working experience in Amazon, smart metrics and results oriented individual who can own and define end-to-end content marketing activities for Amazon Global Selling Program. Roles and responsibilities are as below. Manage Amazon account, edit, enter products, manage inventory, report to internal teams, manage content Amazon sites, marketplaces, web application, and collaborate with internal teams on sales, promotions, conversions, inventory management, forecasting, and logistics. Develop and execute content marketing strategies that drive key awareness and demand generation metrics. Produce, manage, and optimize high impact e-commerce digital marketing campaigns. Edit, enter products into Amazon websites, and coordinate sales copy marketing. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. There is also official email ID and contact address details available here. You can check with that. Next, there is job opening for Fiducia Mobis. They are looking for BPO profile, process international semi-voice process. Working days 5 days, Saturday, Sunday have fixed holidays. Age limit up to 26 years is considered. Benefits, attractive incentives provided on a monthly basis. Willingness to work in night shift. Shift timings will be 6:30 p.m. to 4 a.m. Only immediate joiners need to apply. The opening is only for the fresher level. Candidates must possess decent or average communication skills. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. 733 9110765. Take home 8,000 per month plus incentives. The first 5 days will be training. The candidate who is successfully completing the training will be eligible for the job. To attend all the job description is as below. To attend all international calls, listen to the query, then respond to them using keys. Each key has pre-recorded answers. Candidates should understand native American voice and give prompt answers by choosing option K. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. I will reply for that. Next, there is a job opening for web owning. They are looking for graphic designer. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. Active person and ability to do multitasking with good experience in graphic designer. Key skills for graphic designers is as below. Excellent IT skills, especially with design and photo editing software. Exceptional creativity and innovation. Excellent time management and organizational skills. Accuracy and attention to detail. And understanding of the latest trends and their role within a commercial environment. Professional approach to time, costs and deadlines. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. There is also official email IDs available and contact address available here. You can check with that. Then there is a job opening for Murugan Motors. They are looking for service marketing executive. Salary offered up to 26,271 rupees per month. Telemarketing appointment schedule back end work is a job description. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. There is also official email ID and contact address available here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for the same organization, Murugan Motors. They are looking for customer care executive. Salary offered 8,000 a month. Customer relation maintaining, report preparation, back-end operation is required for job profile. You can contact on the given phone number, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given address directly for further details and further information. There is a job opening for MOS Solar Systems Private Limited. They are looking for marketing executive. Salary offered 25,000 a month. Looking for a dynamic, energetic, and versatile young individual with a keen interest in marketing and product development. Responsibilities and duties are as below. The candidate should have at least 1 year experience of working in a lead business and having working knowledge of marketing, device strategy, and content for key communication channels. Idea, plan, and work with the development team to ensure timely delivery of new features, monitoring and analysis of the campaigns. An ideal candidate should be creative in mindset and self-motivated. He will be a part of the product and the marketing team and play a key role in achieving the overall business objectives of the company and bring a change in the way solar is perceived, consumed, and talked about by the masses. You can contact Mr. Karthik on the given phone number HR 8489993927. Next, there is a job opening for Laxtex. They are looking for sample tailor. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. They need a sample tailor in more than 1 year of experience. Expected start dates as soon as possible as it is already expired. You can contact the given phone number for further details, if or you can contact the given address for further information and get to know more about the details and on this job profile and job description, everything. Next, there is a job opening for Murugan Motors for billing executive. Salary offered up to 7,500 a month. For job description is service billing, job card closing, back end work. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. There is also official email ID and contact address details available here. You can check with that. There is a job opening for Sri Ranga Polymers. They are looking for audit executive. Salary offered up to 25,000 a month. Job responsibility is follow up the various schedules of audits, ISO, GRS, WRAP, document maintenance, process analysis, internal and external audit meetings, conduct, etc. for polyester fiber manufacturing unit. Candidate with any degree with minimum 2 years of experience in ISO and any other audit experience is must. For any other queries and information, you can contact on the given phone number 73977333203. I have also included the official contact address, telephone number, and email ID here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Upka Industries. They are looking for marketing executive. Salary offered up to 7,000 a month. Job summary is as below. We are seeking a driven, self-motivated sales and marketing executive to join our growing organization. In this position, you will be responsible for pursuing sales opportunities through traditional channel and by utilizing new technology and communication software to reach new prospects. Strong interpersonal skills and a customer-focused approach are a must. Responsibilities and duties are as below. Actively seek out new sales opportunities through networking. Build networks and spheres of influence in order to grow prospects list. Listen and draw out the concerns, problems of others to identify possible solutions. Identify the traits of the ideal customer and seek to find others with the same traits. Conduct market research to identify selling possibilities and evaluate customer needs. Set up meetings with potential clients. Prepare and report on goals, sales, and prospects. Participate in events and conferences on behalf of the company. Negotiate and close deals. Handle complaints or objections. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. I have also included the official contact address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Cedulous Technologies. They are looking for telemarketing executive. Salary offered up to 7,000 a month. They are looking for telemarketing executives. Language required Tamil. Qualification is any degree. Experience maybe may not be. Freshers also eligible for this. Required skills, communication skills are required. You can contact on the given phone number for further details and get to know more information. There is also official email ID and contact address details available here. You can check with that. Next, there is job opening for Pupa India Private Limited. They are looking for designer. Salary offered up to 2 lakhs per year. They have opening for designer with the core knowledge of CorelDRAW. Experience up to 2 years he will be considered. Interested candidates can make a call on the given phone number 9750945 You can contact on the given address or else and get to know more information on this. Next, there is a job opening for Murugan Motors for mechanic two-wheeler. Salary offered up to 8,000 a month. Two-wheeler repair and maintenance. You can contact on the given phone number for further details or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. You can also visit the address provided here for further information. Next, there is a job opening for English teacher at the Indian Public School. They are looking for an experienced English teacher to join their bright team. If you love English and have the ability to teach the language with patience and tact, let us meet. Your main goal will be to create a supportive learning environment which will help your students meet their learning goals. Through interesting and diverse methods, you will teach them the important rules of reading, writing, and speaking in English. You will oversee their progress by tracking their assignment and exam grades. In order to provide useful feedback, responsibilities are as below. Organize classroom lectures and coursework, prepare materials and activities, assign homework and interesting exercises, identify students with special requirements and create individualized plans, determine exam and assignment grades, provide feedback based on workload and classroom behavior, keep a record of students' attendance and grades, research new language teaching methods, manage classroom crisis and resolve conflict, inform parents about their children's performance, collaborate with teaching staff and administrators to foster a good student experience. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. There is also official email ID available and contact address provided here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Mark Controls and Systems Private Limited. They are looking for sheet metal fabricator and bending machine operator. Salary offered up to 17,000 a month. Qualification ITI or diploma. Knowledge in aluminum sheet metal fabrication work and bending machine operating work is required. You can visit the provided address for further information. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. If you have any another job requirements which is not listed in this video, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that.